Ganas is an extensible Web3 wallet and IDE built by volunteers for the Cosmos and EVM multi-chain ecosystem. We want to enable users and developers to create dApps and extensions for both mobile on your phone and tablet and web. I am now in the web platform for Ganas, but you can find the same functionality on mobile. We are going into the demos section, mobile apps, and select IDE Solidity. And now we have access to an easy-to-use Solidity compiler and deployer. After we write our contract here, we can see the EUL intermediate language code produced, the opcodes, the bytecode, and the ABI. And now we can deploy this contract by clicking the deploy button. And we get the resulting address. And now we can interact with this contract without writing any code. Just click on the dApp button and a dApp automatically built from the contract ABI will appear. This dApp is opened in edit mode. We can also see it in view mode. So we can actually write code that modifies and extends the dApp. And we can simply add markdown code or we can add Tailor code. And we can even change the styles altogether, just like in any Marks Factory built dApp. So you can modify this dApp and then click on the export button and export it. It will be saved on IPFS for you, and a new link is produced with a QR code. And you will have access to the final dApp version. Now we can use the dApp and read the state from the contract. And right now the state is 0, and we can make transactions. We wait for the transaction to be confirmed and we will see a receipt being filled in here. And we see the receipt. And now the new value is 4. So today you have seen a Solidity IDE embedded in Ganas with support for Solidity, EUL, EVM assembly, bytecode, and ABI. And you have seen an initial dApp produced by Marks Factory that can be edited and developed to a final dApp. Everything can be done on mobile, and the distribution of the dApp is done in your Ganas wallet stored on IPFS. You are welcome to join us on Discord and come and test on web, iOS, and Android.